That's what I call a view. We are now in the 52nd floor. And there is a big sky lounge here. And as you can see, the view from here is amazing. Amazing. And nobody's here. You can go here, sit with your friends and have a talk. Enjoy your time with an awesome view. Also, you have a glass wall, but I'm a little bit suspicious. Suspicious? I don't know if the word is correct. Behind is the Rama 9 bridge. I think this is the King Rama 9 bridge. I'm not sure right now. But let us go. One more up. Awesome, huh? If you are afraid of height, then this is nothing for you. Really nothing for you. Over there is the Terminal 21. There's the Chao Phraya River. Maybe this is the bridge I mentioned before. And they're building again new buildings everywhere. This is the Klong San Sep. There you can drive a Klong taxi boat. This is a so-called slum area. I don't like the word, but that's how they name it, so that's how it is. And the Bangkok Tower. I will go here for sunset and think I will make some pictures. This is the big Makasan station with a railway link to the airport. The airport is in this direction. This is also a nice area, and I think I will drive there now because I want to buy something. Thank you for watching the video. My goal is to reach 1000 subscribers in 2022. If you like what I do, then feel free to subscribe. I would appreciate it. See you next time. Bye bye.